motion, and muscle recoil. That's how you leap to gold.
This is Discovery Network's Asia Pacific. And you're watching Discovery Science.
Today, on How It's Made Dream Cars, the Jaguar F-Type, a 21st century sports car with a famous lineage. Jaguar started out in the north of England in 1922, but it's been headquartered in the West Midlands, the heart of industrial England, for more than half a century. In the beginning, the company started out manufacturing sidecars for motorcycles. In fact, it was called the Swallow Sidecar Company. It wasn't until after World War II that the name was changed to Jaguar Cars. Visionary founder Sir William Lyons transformed the company into a manufacturer of some of modern history's most iconic cars. Produced in 1938, this two-seater was dubbed the SS Jaguar 100 because it was the first car that could go 100 miles per hour. Launched in 1948, the XK120 was the first car with the legendary XK engine as